In this video, we will see how to use the analysis functions of the application. Analysis will allow you to compare your data, have a visual representation, and export them as graphs. The analyses are found in the different modules: organization, individuals, projects, analysis of projects and indicators, events, analysis of events and participation. These analyses are built from data present in the application, and the process is the same regardless of the module analyzed. For example, if we take the project analysis, a first data tab lists all the projects of the default application. It's from this page that we can select our scope of analysis using the filters in the grid. I can choose to filter only on a specific program, like the EDF11 program. You can see that the number of data pages has been reduced, in line with what is being filtered. You can add an unlimited number of filters. It's only this filtered data that will be used for the analysis. At the top of the page, you can see other tabs corresponding to the different analysis the application provides. Here you can say the analysis by years, by sector, by status. If we select the by sector tab, we clearly see an alert message indicating that the data has been filtered and therefore that the information displayed corresponds to part of the data available for analysis, according to a defined framework. On the left, you will find a grid showing the different sectors analyzed, and the associated data, number of projects, associated amounts, and so on. On the right, you will find the graphs corresponding to the data analysis, in number and in amount. This graphic is also customizable. Here you can see it in columns. These analyses are exportable in PDF and image format if you only want to recover the graph in order to use it in a presentation or in a report. You can also export the complete analysis in Excel format, so you get the table and the graphs. This operation is the same for all tabs. Latest feature of the analysis, mass mailing. You can mass mail the data from what is filtered in the Data tab. To do this, all you need to do is select the desired mail merge template and generate it.